Super exciting news. I have a new book out that is called the Cash Out Refinance Book, and it is available to you for free. It talks about the ins and outs of the cash out refinance, pitfalls, advantages, etc. So, a huge opportunity for you here, especially with like today's looming debt crisis. There's a lot of questions I'm answering. So, hopefully, this really gives you, in your own time, a solution to help you get the information you need. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is a cash out refinance? And basically, what that is we're going to take the equity that you've built up over time and we can access that in the form of a new first mortgage, paying off your existing first mortgage in a higher loan balance. And then you will get a lump sum of cash at the close of escrow. And now you can use this cash for home improvements, debt consolidation, investments, education, emergency expenses. It's really up to you. And in today's environment, I know cash is king. So this could help you free up some equity and kind of get where you need to be. Why choose Fresh Home Loan, you may ask, in doing this? Well, we are independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. What's that mean? Most loan officers in this country work for large corporate infrastructures that ultimately work for shareholders, where we have more options and less overlays and better pricing due to this more of a freedom approach to doing business. We understand your financial decisions are difficult, and we know, this is maybe a hard decision. We're here to help you out. We're not here to judge. It's not your fault. Everyone's gone through some stuff at one point or the other in their lives, right? So our benefits really include expert guidance, personalized solutions, competitive rates, a hassle-free process. So go to freshhomeloan.com, check out the Cash Out Refinance section, and you can download your free ebook. I'm Garrick Wordbuller, President, CEO of Fresh Home Loan, and we look forward to helping you. Independent mortgage brokers that work for you, the people.